So in our last video, we visited Rocket Fizz, Soda Pop, and Candy Shop. And we got a whole bunch of stuff, and now we're gonna try it. What is that? Is that his guts? Ew, is that it? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Y'all, that's nasty.
I'm Jemiah. I'm Josiah. And that's Jemiah. We are the Willis brothers. Welcome to the World of Willis.
Okay, so we went to the candy shop. Lonnie got some worms, different flavors. She got cheddar cheese and she got barbecue. And Jeremiah is going to try both of them. And I bet he's gonna like them. We will see. Is it crunchy? Is it gooey?
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Is it yummy?
Barbecue is fine.
Oh.
It's good? What does it taste like? Does it taste like a chip?
Nothing.
A crunchy worm?
Nothing.
Okay. So you like it?
It's like nothing.
It tastes like nothing. Okay, great. So now we're gonna try the cheddar cheese.
Wait, it actually tastes like barbecue.
Does it? Ooh, let me see the worm. Hold it up. Okay, wait. You just ripped it. How do you like it?
That's why I gave him the first time. He was so into
He loves it. It's the best thing he's ever tasted. If you see these in the store, get them. They're awesome. So I'm gonna try these little worms. I'm gonna try the cheddar cheese one first.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
Oh my god, mommy.
This looks so nasty. Oh my gosh, look at his little face. I don't know. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that's nasty. I'm for real. It tastes like some old stale popcorn. Like it's crunchy and oh my goodness.
What flavor is it?
That's the cheddar cheese one.
Yes.
That's your favorite?
No, I like barbecue.
Okay, I'm trying to barbecue next. Oh goodness. That is not what's up.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
No, barbecue is my favorite because it's kind
They're
of
not good, guys. They're not good. Maybe on a salad. It might be good sprinkle on a salad. Yeah, but by itself, no. All right. Bye. Daddy is trying the crunchy worms. Which one? Which flavor do you have?
Cheddar.
You're eating cheddar? Is it yummy?
Actually, it's not bad.
What does it taste like, do you think?
I don't got no taste.
Well, why do you like it? You like
They
the
do taste
texture?
almost like chips.
It's just like little sunflower seeds. I said it'll be good on a salad.
It's probably barbecue, Lonnie. This is probably barbecue.
Is that barbecue? Oh, you thought you had the cheddar? Okay, try the cheddar. He almost ate the whole bag. He must really enjoy it. I'm gonna buy him some for his birthday.
like those?
Is that the cheddar?
Like all those chips?
They're worms.
That's something that I wouldn't buy.
You're kidding me. This is what's inside of the crunchy worm. Wait a minute.
Crunchy.
What is that? Is that his guts?
Probably.
You're kidding me. Where is his face? Where did his face go?
Oh, no, he doesn't have a face. This one. Oh, I ate the face.
Oh, bless his heart. Olivia got these mango things, mango gel. It says it has 10% juice, mango flavor konjac jelly. Jeremiah's going to eat some of it. Let's see how
It's got water dripping.
Honey, I think, okay. Oh, you just spilled all the gel out. Ew, is that it? Oh my gosh, taste it, Jeremiah.
It looks like
It looks like a slug. Oh my God. Eat it.
Hold the package.
Yeah. And then slurp it out. Pick it up. It looks like a slug. Jeremiah, come taste it.
Eat it off the package. You can't eat it off the table now.
Oh my gosh. Jeremiah, eat it. Come. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's make Daddy eat it.
Yeah, Daddy, you.
Daddy, come eat this mango thing. Let me taste some. Oh my gosh. It looks literally like a slug. I'm gonna taste it.
It tastes like peach.
Is it good? Is it good? Is it good?
It's actually good. I like it.
You like slugs, Mommy?
It's good.
I told her it was good.
Okay, Daddy's trying the mango jelly stuff.
I'm gonna try it.
You like it?
I'm gonna try it.
It's not bad.
Let me open it. Don't take it out the package. Just hold it.
Is it slimy?
What talking about? It's very slimy.
Bite it.
It's nasty.
Would you buy it again? Right here, I could just drink out of one of the boys. You like it?
Sorry, which one?
I'm good?
That's Mommy.
Okay, Olivia got this soda. Oh, she got sangria flavor. I love sangria. And it has like a little marble inside. And the marble actually sits at the top. And then you take this little top off and you pop it down. And then it shoots the marble down to the bottom. And the marble's like stuck in there. So when you're drinking it, the soda's like rolling over the marble. It's really cool. Jeremiah's tasting it. It's made with real sugar. Is it good? You like it? Okay, Olivia's gonna take the top off. You see the little marble? Okay, so Jeremiah is trying these Hello Panda vanilla bite-sized snacks. It's a cream center with crunchy shell. Gonna try that and open it. And then Josiah, what do you have, Saya?
A Disney Pegasus pencil.
Oh, who's your character? Oh, Stormtrooper?
And it has 3 flavors.
Oh, okay.
Orange, lemon, and grape.
Okay, well, which flavor are you gonna put in there first?
Orange.
Okay. That's your favorite. Okay. Alright, so you go ahead and open that and put that in there. You're gonna open yours too, Jeremiah? You can go ahead and try yours and open it. No, sir.
That's a vanilla.
Oh. How does it taste?
Good.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Does it taste like a cookie? It does. Ooh. Okay, so you opening yours and put your orange one in there.
Let's get the orange out. And here is the red shoe. And then you can see the candy pieces.
You know how to put it in there, right?
And then watch this.
On his head back so you can get one out.
There we go. A
Jimmy? The World of Willis.
The World of Willis. It starts with a D. Dog little wolf.
Alright, say the password so you can get one.
Dog little wolf.
Good?
Would you like a Hello Panda?
I do. Thank you. How cute. It's so cute. Look at the little panda. So Jeremiah's gonna try his candy mega buttons.
And I'm trying one of each.
Okay, and Si's gonna try his Trolley Sour Bright Crawlers tropical flavor. Alright, go ahead and open them, guys.
No. This is easy.
Okay, which flavor are you gonna try, Jeremiah? It's like a button.
This is my first time trying it.
It's like flat on the back.
Flat?
I bet that just tastes like sugar, doesn't it?
No, not like the yellow.
Do you like it? Does it taste like crunchy sugar? That's what it looks like.
Not crunchy. But different. Look, look, it has the stain. That's real what?
Okay, Saya, you want to try yours?
Yes. Okay. So the first flavor I'm trying is orange and yellow. I'm gonna try to finish this. That's good.
You like
I'm
it?
trying to get the other piece of my blue. We have a green. Come on, blue. I'm the gooey one.
Is it good? Is it good? You got a lot of. It's like 3. Wow. Alright, you give that a thumbs up or thumbs down? Up, 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 up. What do you give those sour little crawlers? Saya? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll try one.
Okay, you want to try one and two?
No, I'm thinking it's probably too much sugar. Yep.
Okay, I'll give it to each.
That's good. Alright, guys.
This is good. Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember, learning is smart, knowledge is power, kindness is key, fun is necessary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.